Hi betas, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you're watching this video. I'm excited to tell you that we finally got the family that we are adopting for Christmas from the Cumbie Center. And I am very excited for us to get working on getting gifts into the school so we can wrap them up and get them delivered to the family in time for Christmas. So everything we're going to do, our deadline is going to be December, let me pull up a calendar to make sure that we will be in school that day. December 10th is going to be our deadline to get presents in. So that really doesn't give us a ton of time. The Cumbie Center just emailed me 10 minutes ago, so I'm getting this out to you as fast as possible. So that gives us this week and next week to collect items for the Cumbie Center for this family. So here's the information, and I'm going to have this on our website, and it will also be in an email that will come to your school email for you to look at so you can find out. I am going to also email you and post two gift registry links. So when you buy something, please mark it off the gift registry unless it's gift cards, because we need to know what you're buying, and that way we're not buying doubles, right? So that's why we're going to use a gift registry. So if you buy something on the gift registry, please mark it off so we're not buying double gifts of the same thing for the family. So let's start with information. Child 1 is 14. He's a male. He has the size 11 shoes. Short size are adult small or youth extra large, and 18 to 20. His pant size is 18. His favorite color is gray. He really likes Nike, Under Armour, video games, and Amazon. His wishes are for gift cards or charcoal pencils. So if we could get this young man several gift cards, some charcoal pencils, and maybe a Nike or Under Armour sweatshirt or some kind of clothing, that would be wonderful. We have about 200 members, so I definitely think we could get this done. Child 2 is 10, and he is a male. He wears a shoe size 8. His short size are 10-12 in youth, and his pant size is a 12 in youth. His favorite color is green, and he likes hunting, fishing, sports. He really wants some Legos, Army Legos apparently, charcoal pencils, and a baseball mitt for Christmas. So I definitely think we can take care of that as well. And we want to be mindful that we are purchasing about the same amount of gifts for each kid. So please look at those wish lists and go off the wish list so they will have an equitable amount of gifts, and we're taking care of all 3 children. The last child is age 7, and she is female. Her shoe size is 3. Her shirt size is an 8. Her pant size is an 8 in youth. Her favorite color is pink. She likes bath bombs, blankets, Elsa and Anna, and unicorns. She wants a Petite Princess gift set. She loves Barbies and would love the Barbie camper. She loves LOL dolls or some slippers for Christmas. So we want to make sure that we're taking care of all of these children. And again, look at those the gift registry links, and after you purchase something, please make sure that you let us know and you mark it off. Even if, like, say I make an Amazon wish list and you purchase it at Walmart, just go in and mark it purchased, or email me and let me know, and I can do that for you. And then the mom, we don't have a lot of information on her, but what she wished for is some gift cards. So that is, think about the family is experiencing financial difficulty because they were in an abusive situation, and it's the holiday season coming up, and many of them are struggling financially to provide food, to provide all of the things necessarily. So the gift cards for the mom could be a gift card to Kroger. It could be a Visa gift card. It could be something like that. So that is our goal. We have roughly 2 weeks to get these gifts in. The 11th is the day I have to take the donations to the Cumbie Center, and so we want to get them to Aiken High School by the 10th. Again, this is the list of what the children would like. I will send you a couple registries, and if you purchase something on the registry, please make sure you mark it off or let me know so I can mark it off. If you purchase gift cards for the mother, you don't have to mark that off the registry. Just let me know. And so we have 200 members. This is a a service project that we are going to put a lot of effort in. This is probably going to be our biggest service project for the year. And let's help this family have a great holiday that have been through some traumatic events and help them have a good Christmas. So, I look forward to working with you guys. I will be back at the school on the 4th, this Friday. I get to return to work. Will be free from quarantining. My husband, though, is at the school if you have questions until then. If you have gifts you want to turn in before I return, you can just take it to his room, Mr. Hostetler. He is down in the math wing where Miss Lambert and Miss Floyd and Miss Nixarian's rooms are. So he's right in that hallway if you want to get those in before I return. All right, if you have questions, please reach out to me.